So now let's start with the pull function of the SOYICH app. The pull function of SOYICH is meant to facilitate the receipt of the desired documents or files from the other users. Now, for example, this is one of my account. So right now there is one SOY ID which is blank. There is no documents or files in it. And now in this SOY ID, I want to pull these three files in it. So there is another account where one SOY ID is there, photos. So I want to pull this document to a SOY ID. Okay. So let's go there. So I have to click on the pull icon after this SOY ID. Then that SOY ID appears in the destination folder, destination place. And now I want to pull these files, so I have to copy this SOY ID and I have to paste it here. Select it, enter the password, then enter my SOY ID's password where to store the document 1 and 2 and click on the pull icon. So you will receive OTP. The files you want to desire, the users will get the OTP who is sending source SOY ID's user. So that is also myself, so I know the OTP now. So I have successfully received that SOY ID. I'm continuing this. If I check, these three files are there, same files are here, these three files. You can check this file. These are the files.